how to remove the head-up display button in your 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The first thing we need to do is remove this trim piece along the top of the gauge bezel. So I'm going to use a pry tool and pull that out. And the piece above the gauge cluster is held on with 4 clips. So just pry on it a bit and pull it straight out. Now after we have that out, we can see one bolt right here that needs to come out. Use a 7mm socket and ratchet to remove the bolt. The next step is going to be to pry off this side panel. So just pry it out and pull it away. There's another 7mm on the side. Now you can pull out the panel that has the head-up display button in it, but be careful because the wire is still connected. So after you get it loose, disconnect the connector from the back, and now you can remove it from the car. So if you need to actually remove the buttons from the panel, there's 2 tabs right here at the top and 2 tabs here at the bottom. You need to pull down on and release, and you can get the switch out by pushing forward on it. Like that. And it comes out. Installation is the reverse of the removal process. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.